click on the foreground color. Using the color picker, we're going to explore hue, saturation, and brightness. Move the brightness slider up. Notice as we move the slider up, the color wheel increases in brightness. If we made a stack of the color wheels, we would have a color cylinder, or a three-dimensional color picker. This color cylinder has 100% brightness at the top and 0 brightness at the bottom. Type Command K to go to Preferences, then choose the Photoshop color picker. The slider controls the hue and is set to 0 degrees, which is red. The saturation is 100%. As I click and drag to the left, notice the saturation decreased to 0. Now, we'll look at the brightness and notice it's 100% at the top and 0% at the bottom. Next, we'll superimpose this Photoshop color picker on the color cylinder we made earlier. Now, viewing this color cylinder, we can see that 100% brightness is anywhere at the top of the cylinder, and 100% saturation is anywhere around the outside edge of the cylinder. Also notice that white is 100% red, green, and blue. As we change the saturation from 0 to 100%, the dot moves from the center of the circle to the outside edge. As we're moving towards the outside edge of the circle, red is remaining at 100%, while green and blue are dropping to 0. Let's review what we've just seen. White is in the center. It's 100% red, green, and blue, and has 0 saturation. We'll go around the circle and look at hue. Red is at 0 degrees, green is at 120, and blue is at 240 degrees. When we speak of hue, we typically speak in degrees. As we start around the circle, green will increase to 100%, red will remain at 100% until we reach yellow. Now the red decreases to 0 as we approach green. Now we're at 100% green. Next you will see the blue increase as we move towards cyan, which is at 180 degrees. Cyan will have 100% blue and 100% green. Now the green is decreasing as we move toward blue. You now see the color cylinder complete with hue, saturation, and brightness. But what is grayscale? Grayscale is nothing but a point at the center of the cylinder that goes from the top to the bottom. It has 0 saturation and it has no hue. To put it another way, grayscale is a special case of this color cylinder where there is 0 saturation. However, brightness may vary from black to white. There's a copy of this color cylinder in the Project Art folder on the CD.